SOUN stock is showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bullish trend. It has lost 21% since the last 1 month, and the author of this piece on Investor Place is saying that it seems the company is not really an investment worthy one as things stand right now. It has doubled in value this year, but much of the gains are related to its business. Much of the gains came largely because of NVDA's investment in the company. It has a couple of contracts. Some of them have been very major ones. The company has lost them. The contract it had with Netflix has been cancelled. The one it has with Stellantis is yet to kick in, and the company has been around for a long time but hasn't really found a way to make profit. That is, amongst other things, what the author of this piece is talking about. Okay, and also lost a contract with Mercedes-Benz, and also they also lost one with, as I pointed out earlier on, with Netflix. But if you think something is going to come out of what's going on right now, you can see that the stock, according to its 4-hourly chart, is trading right on the lower line of its price channel. It has been doing that. It's been retracing, trading on this on the lower line of its price channel for the best part of how would I put it now? This is June 14th. Will be June 14th. I think it was Friday. Yes, Friday. Yes, yeah. So even before that, it's the weakness where it was it has been in place. So probably we may see further weakness. But a rebound is very much likely. It's something that can happen. We can equally see on its 1-hour chart that a couple of rejections. This is just to emphasize what is happening on the 4-hour chart. It's equally happening on the shorter interval chart, the 1-minute chart. You can see a couple of rejections on its. A couple of its moving averages have been acting as supply lines. Supply meaning that whenever the price gets there, more shares are thrown into it. More shares are thrown into the market. Okay, even though we have extrapolations indicating that we're going to see a spike to 4.38. This is on its 1-minute chart. If you come to its 1-hour chart, I think you might even equally see the same sort of pattern playing out there. Let's look at a 1-hour chart. Yes, rejections. You can see that rejection. All this is all the way down. We can see. I think in this case, the 10 and the 20 and the 40 period moving averages have been acting as primary supply lines. Whenever the price gets to those moving averages or slightly above them, then more shares are supplied into the market. Okay, here as well, extrapolation is indicating higher prices. 5.7 maybe sometime next Monday. That's the Monday the 24th of June. 5.07 is projected there. Okay, and let's see what we have. This is the same thing we've seen a 4-hour chart as well. Yes, same thing. Rejections here on yeah, we can see that as well here on Think and Swim. This has to be its 10-period moving average. The 10-period moving average has just been a primary demand supply line. It began exactly on Friday, the 14th of June. Yeah, it's continued to do so, and but the fact that it's now trading outside of its price channel may begin to indicate, is currently indicating that maybe some strength might return into the stock. Some strength might return. Okay, so let's go to its 4-hour daily chart. We have here that the probability that this downward weakness, it is experiencing now. Okay, let's get it. It's the probability that it will continue is The probability that it will continue is 29.84%. The probability that it will surpass $4.3, which is where it closed at roughly. The probability that it will rebound and pivot around $4.3 is at 97%. So the more it continues to retrace, the more it continues to weaken, then the greater the probability that a rebound will occur. Okay, but we also have some projections on this on this daily chart. So for $4.6, the probability that it will surpass it is 29.03%. The probability that it will remain below $4.6, which is right, anything below it, which is right around where it is right now, is 79.03%. So you have to balance in the context of this projection of $4.6. Then you have to balance it with the probability that a rebound is the probability that a correction or a pivot will occur, a rebound will occur, which is around 97%. So you probably have to find a balance between a continued retracement of 79%, a sustained retracement or a sustained weakness of 79%, as in relation to its this upper projection of 4.6%, and a rebound probability of 97%, going by the current trend, going by the medium term, short-term weakness, short-term trend. That is in effect. And then we also have another upper projection of 5.17. For some reason, the data around this moving average is it has relatively relatively volatile prices and standard deviations. Because of that, we have the probability that it will surpass 5.17%. Now turns out to be 34.35%, which is higher than that of $4.6. So it looks like an anomaly, but it is because of statistical facts around that projection of 5.17. So a couple of rejections happened right around there, and some above there. So maybe because of that, it's the statistic, the analysis is probably emphasizing. It's favoring more stability, if you like. It's favoring stability, because that's where some stability happened, But at 4.6, we were seeing weakness there. So it's just reflecting what happened around there, $4.6. So so the probability that it will remain below 5.17 is 65.65%. So have a look and see what you make of SOUN stock, and I will definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.